The keto diet is a way of eating that focuses on high fats, moderate proteins, and very low carbs. This diet has gained immense popularity in recent years, and for good reason. It promises not just weight loss, but also a range of other health benefits that many people find appealing. This combination shifts your body into a metabolic state called ketosis. Ketosis is a natural process the body initiates to help us survive when food intake is low. During this state, we produce ketones, which are created from the breakdown of fats in the liver. In ketosis, your body starts burning fat for energy instead of carbohydrates. This is a significant shift from the standard diet, which relies heavily on carbs for energy. By burning fat, the body becomes more efficient in utilizing its stored energy. Think of carbohydrates as the fuel your body normally runs on. When you eat carbs, your body converts them into glucose, which is then used for energy. However, excess glucose is stored as fat, which can lead to weight gain. When you drastically reduce carbs, your body needs a new energy source. This is where the magic of the keto diet comes into play. By cutting out carbs, you force your body to tap into its fat reserves for energy. That's where fat comes in. Healthy fats become the primary source of energy. Foods like avocados, nuts, seeds, and oils are staples in the keto diet. These fats not only provide energy, but also help keep you feeling full and satisfied. The keto diet makes your body a fat-burning machine. Many people report significant weight loss within the first few weeks of starting the diet. This is because the body is now efficiently burning fat for fuel. This way of eating has several potential benefits. Beyond weight loss, many people find that they have more energy and feel more alert throughout the day. The diet can also be quite enjoyable, with a variety of delicious foods to choose from. It can help with weight loss, improve mental clarity, and even enhance your overall mood. Many people on the keto diet report feeling more focused and productive, and even stabilize blood sugar levels. This is particularly beneficial for people with type 2 diabetes or those who are pre-diabetic. By reducing carb intake, you can help manage your blood sugar levels more effectively. However, it's always a good idea to talk to your doctor before starting any new diet, including keto. While the keto diet has many benefits, it may not be suitable for everyone. Consulting with a healthcare professional can help you determine if this diet is right for you and ensure that you approach it in a healthy and sustainable way. Let's talk about what you can eat on keto. Healthy fats are the stars of the show. Load up on avocados, olive oil, fatty fish like salmon, and nuts like almonds and walnuts. Next up are proteins. Choose eggs, cheese, chicken, and beef. Make sure your protein sources are not breaded or covered in sugary sauces. Finally, round out your meals with low-carb veggies. Think leafy greens like spinach and kale, broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts. These veggies provide essential nutrients without kicking you out of ketosis. Now that you know what to eat, let's stock your kitchen. Olive oil, avocado oil, and coconut oil are your go-to cooking fats. Keep plenty of eggs on hand. They're a quick and easy keto-friendly protein source. Cheese lovers, rejoice. Most cheeses are naturally low in carbs and high in fat, making them perfect for keto. Cheddar, mozzarella, and cream cheese are all great options. Don't forget about seasonings. Herbs and spices add flavor to your meals without adding carbs. Salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and Italian seasoning are all keto-friendly choices. Starting a new way of eating can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. The ketogenic diet, or keto for short, is a low-carb, high-fat diet that has been shown to offer various health benefits, including weight loss and improved energy levels. The key to success is to keep things simple and delicious. Here are a few simple keto recipes to get you started. These recipes are not only quick and easy to prepare, but also packed with nutrients to keep you satisfied and energized throughout the day. Scrambled eggs with spinach and cheese. This is a classic keto breakfast that you can whip up in no time. Start by sautéing some fresh spinach in butter or olive oil until it wilts. Then, add whisked eggs and your favorite cheese, such as cheddar, feta, or mozzarella. Cook until the eggs are set, and enjoy. This dish is not only delicious, but also provides a good dose of protein and healthy fats to kickstart your day. Salmon with roasted asparagus. For a nutritious and satisfying lunch or dinner, try this simple recipe. Drizzle salmon fillets with olive oil, season with salt and pepper, and roast in the oven alongside asparagus spears. The salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for heart health, while the asparagus provides fiber and essential vitamins. Ground beef and cauliflower rice. Stir fry. This is a versatile and flavorful dish that you can customize with your favorite low-carb vegetables. Start by browning ground beef in a skillet with chopped onions and garlic. Once the beef is cooked through, add cauliflower rice and a variety of low-carb veggies, such as bell peppers, zucchini, and broccoli. Season with soy sauce, low sodium of course, and a splash of sesame oil for a flavorful meal. This stir-fry is not only delicious but also packed with nutrients to keep you full and satisfied. Enjoy these quick and easy keto recipes as you embark on your keto journey. Sticking to keto when you're not cooking at home can be tricky, but it's definitely possible with some planning. When dining out, look for grilled or baked protein sources like chicken, fish, or steak, which are all great choices. Ask for your meal to be cooked without breading or sugary sauces to keep it keto-friendly. Many fast food chains now offer keto-friendly options on their menus. At burger joints, order a bunless burger wrapped in lettuce and load up on cheese, bacon, and avocado for extra flavor. Some places even offer lettuce-wrapped tacos or bowls which are perfect for keto. While the keto diet is fairly straightforward, there are certain foods you'll need to avoid to stay in ketosis. Sugary drinks like soda and juice are a big no-no, as are processed foods high in refined carbohydrates. Grains like bread, pasta, rice, and cereal are also off the menu. These foods are quickly broken down into glucose, which can spike your blood sugar levels and kick you out of ketosis. Be mindful of hidden sugars in condiments like ketchup, barbecue sauce, and salad dressings. Always check labels and opt for low-carb or sugar-free alternatives whenever possible. Here's a quick cheat sheet to help you make keto-friendly choices. The ketogenic diet focuses on high-fat, moderate protein, and low-carbohydrate foods. Let's start with the foods you can enjoy. First up, healthy fats. Avocados are a fantastic source of healthy fats and are incredibly versatile. You can add them to salads, make guacamole, or simply enjoy them on their own. Another great source of healthy fats is olive oil. It's perfect for salad dressings, cooking, and even drizzling over your favorite dishes. Coconut oil is another excellent option. It's great for cooking at high temperatures and adds a delicious flavor to your meals. Butter is also a staple in the keto diet. It's rich in fats and can be used in cooking or as a spread. Nuts and seeds are fantastic snacks that provide healthy fats and protein. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are all great choices. Now let's talk about protein. Eggs are a versatile and affordable source of protein. You can enjoy them boiled, scrambled, or in an omelet. Cheese is another excellent source of protein and fat. There are so many varieties to choose from, like cheddar, mozzarella, and brie. When it comes to meat, poultry, and fish, the options are endless. Beef, chicken, and salmon are all great choices. Seafood like shrimp and crab are also keto-friendly. Don't forget your low-carb veggies. Spinach, kale, broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts are all nutrient-dense and low in carbs. Now let's move on to foods you should avoid. Sugary drinks are a big no-no on the keto diet. This includes soda, fruit juice, and any sweetened beverages. These drinks are high in sugar and can kick you out of ketosis. Grains are another category to avoid. This includes bread, pasta, rice, and cereal. These foods are high in carbohydrates and can hinder your progress on the keto diet. Processed foods like chips are also off-limits. They often contain hidden sugars and unhealthy fats. Crackers and baked goods are typically high in carbs and should be avoided. High-sugar fruits like bananas, grapes, and mangoes are also not keto-friendly. While fruits are generally healthy, these particular ones contain too much sugar for a keto diet. Remember, the key to success on keto is to choose whole, unprocessed foods and limit your carbohydrate intake. Focus on fresh vegetables, quality meats, and healthy fats to keep your body in ketosis and maximize your results. With a little planning and effort, you can enjoy delicious and satisfying meals while reaping the benefits of this popular way of eating. Meal prepping and planning can make a huge difference in staying on track. Enjoy the journey and the positive changes it brings to your health and well-being.